Hello, everyone. My name is Latrell Goss. I came into the company looking to get my credit in order, but I noticed a career opportunity. So I asked my mentor, Anthony Jackson, more about it because little did he know I was just fired from my job because I chose to tend to my daughter who has severe asthma. And unfortunately, as I was pulling up to home, she passed away. Now, that day changed my life. So when I got started with the company, I had a 478 credit score. In a little over 4 months, my score increased over 200 points, and I'm now vice president with the company. This company has changed my life along with others. So what I do want to do is I do want to introduce you guys to financial education services, right? So you may want to ask yourself, how many people do you know who have less than perfect credit, don't have their financial affairs in order, have debt but don't have a game plan for paying it down, dislike their current job and are looking for a change, need to make more money, right? How many people do you know are not where they want to be in life due to their financial situation? So we have a solution here at Financial Education Services. We was founded in 2004, A+ rated with the Better Business Bureau. We're debt-free with over 100% annual sales growth. This means that every year the company is constantly growing and growing prior to the previous year. Now, our mission is to focus on consumer education and provide a unique and personalized experience. We strive to eliminate the burden of financial uncertainty while creating a plan of action and peace of mind for the future. So what we provide are services that protect your identity, credit, family, and finances, plus a lucrative and life-changing business opportunity as well over here. Now with the FES protection plan, you want to also ask yourself, what's the cost of bad credit, right? Your credit is constantly being monitored and can impact everything from your interest rates to your insurance premiums. Without a strong credit score, you could be denied the ability to rent or purchase, to obtain credit cards, and can even be used when considering your employment. That's right. You can have every degree in the world, but if your credit score is not up to par, it can affect your hiring, right? A low credit score could also cost you hundreds of thousands of dollars over the course of your lifetime. People, that comes from interest. Those interest rates are a burden to you. So with United Credit Education Services, we have over 14 years of services, close to 1 million derogatory items removed from our client's credit profile. We have close to customer involvement and live customer support. So once you get started, you're going to get your own portal where you'll be able to see your progress report. You're also going to be able to see the documentation. You're also going to learn how to understand your dispute letters in the process. You're going to get the credit education that's needed. You're going to learn how to establish credit, how to manage debt and collections, and you're going to have some student and senior citizens information as well, right? So with the United Credit Education Services, thanks to the Fair Credit Reporting Act, you now have the right to investigate and dispute the negative items on your credit report. See, we'll help you identify and challenge your inaccurate, erroneous, or obsolete items such as late payments, collections, bankruptcies, judgments, foreclosures, public record settlements, and personal information, as well as student loans. Personal testimony of myself, I went to school in Iowa, right? Over 40K in student loans were deleted from my credit report because of inaccurate information. So we also have the MyCare plan, which is the will and trust and power of attorney. You know, portion of we have the last will where you can express your desires for handling your financial and personal affairs. You also have the financial power of attorney. You also get the living trust, healthcare, and the power of attorney. No add-on or surprise charges. You get unlimited updates for our members. It's a program that's developed by attorneys, and you can log into your secure site 24/7. It's easy to use documents, giving you the freedom to complete and manage from your home or office. So you can do this on the go, people. Now, also included with the FES protection plan is a credit builder. You know, you can access your credit report in an easy to understand online format and utilize your extensive financial library, right? We're going to show you how to build and maintain a high credit score, people. Once those items come off, we don't just want your credit score to sit there at a standstill. We're going to show you how to increase and maintain it as well. You also get a credit attorney, where our attorneys will evaluate your case for difficult to remove inaccurate items on your credit report. We have someone that's going to fight for you on your behalf, right? That's something amazing. We also have credit monitoring, where it's an interactive credit report, money manager, and financial account alert system. We call it Smart Credit, people, where you get your FICO score. You get all 3 credit bureaus. You also get an insurance premium and an auto loan score, as well as a higher index. So you get to see a grade level from A through F on your credit stability, right? Other items, you get the FES Debt Zero, where we create a financial plan that will give you the exact payment guide to eliminate your debt quickly and save money. We're going to show you how to beat the banks at those interest rates and how to pay off that debt with this automated system that we do have in place for you, right? You also get LifeLock, identity theft protection. So number one identity theft protection in the world, people. You know, LifeLock is searching over 1 trillion data points every day looking for potential threats to your identity. Equifax just had this huge hack, right? As well as other numerous places. So you can feel at ease knowing that your identity will be protected. Right now, if your credit score is low, you're not at that standpoint where someone's going to say, hey, let me take over their life. But once your credit score increases, then you become a target. So you can feel at ease knowing that we're partnering with LifeLock, right? You also get a financial lockbox where it's a roadmap, your financial contacts and information in an online location that can be accessed anytime, anywhere. So you can assign someone to have your personal information just in case the unfortunate happens and you're not able to get in contact with the right authorities, right? You also get an RX discount card. You simply present your prescription savings card to potentially save 10 to 85% on genetic and brand name medications. My daughter has asthma. She ran out of asthma pumps, so I took the prescription to my local Walgreens, and asthma pumps cost a lot of money. I only paid $3. That's something that's amazing, and it saves you money, right? You also get travel discounts. As a member of the most prestigious and established travel network, you'll get more simply by booking through us. You get travel discount, people. You also get cash back shopping for those who love to shop. You can shop at any of our 4,000 participating retailers online and receive cash back. You can also donate your cash back to the YFL, which I'm going to get into that very soon. You also get the YFL Online Family Mint. It's implemented in schools across the U.S. We offer the children in your life the YFL's online financial program. When I was growing up, I wasn't taught financial literacy. So this has something in place that able to provide the education on how to manage your finances as well as your credit, right? Money matters, right? You also get health insurance where you compare plan rates and benefits side by side, and you find out how much you can be saving. And this is something that's available for agents only. The term life insurance. Us agents, we're entitled to a $30,000 term life insurance policy with incremental increases up to $100,000 the longer you obtain the membership. You know, it also covers accident as well. That's also amazing. I'm going to get into that as well also. So with the Youth Financial Literacy Foundation, the YFL, FES donates $2 from every FES protection plan payment to the YFL, right? In 2017, we donated $250,000 it's worth of scholarship. That's something amazing. That's something to feel good that you're a part of, because we're helping teaching the youth ages from 8 to 18 on the matters of personal finances. When I was growing up, I wasn't taught how to manage or balance a checkbook, right? So this is something amazing to have in place. So with the FES Protection Plan membership, you get a total of 13 services. Now these services bundled together can cost up to $400 per month or $10,000 annually, right? But with us, it's a one-time setup fee, activation fee of $99, and then it's $89 per month, cancel anytime. There's no contract or obligations, but I do recommend that you stay with the services for a minimum of 4 to 6 months, because you get all this package down bundle, especially with the LifeLock identity theft protection. So this is something that is really amazing, right? So additional services that we do have that can be sold individually, the will, trust, power of attorney, the credit monitoring, the identity theft protection. We also have merchant services, as well as a secure card for you guys that want to build your credit and add it to trade line, as well as a credit analyzer, right? And then also you can build your credit with your rent, right? Do you rent at your current home? Shouldn't you be rewarded with positive payment history for being a responsible renter? You know, not only can you have these payments reported to your credit report, but we also allow you to backdate your rental history up to 2 years. So if you don't pay your rent on time, you get put out, you're going to get that eviction on your credit report, right? But we have something in place called Credit My Rent, where we're actually able to add up to 2 years of rental history. As long as you're paying your rent within 30 days, you'll see a nice increase in your credit score. I've seen instances where your credit score can increase anywhere from 50 to 150 plus points. So that's something that's amazing as well to be a part of and to have, right? So let's go into the business opportunity for those who are interested, right? So what we do is we help establish accounts. We have two divisions where we obtain personal clients and expose the FES protection plan or services. And then we also have the business developer where you can recruit, train, and develop and manage your own nationwide team. So you want to ask yourself how many people control their income, schedule, advancements, benefits, retirement, or future, or all of the above, right? So how we get paid, we have our personal sales commission. As a FES agent, for each protection plan, you can earn $100 plus $12 a month of residual income. You have residual bills, right? So it's only right that you have residual income, right? So there's also no limit to the amount of customers you can acquire. So a compensation scenario, income potential, you want to strive for 5, right? 5 clients and your services are free. So imagine 5 clients per month, that's $500 per month, right? Who could use that? 5 customers per week, that's $2,000 per month. 10, that's $4,000 per month. 20 per week, $100,000 per year, that's 6-figure earner, right? So with the customer acquisition bonuses, another way you get paid within a company. Coming as an agent, you get $100 cab bonus plus a residual, right? You go out and help someone start their own franchise. They go out and get 2 sales. What happens is they get $100 per sale plus a residual. You earn $100. The next level in the company is a field trainer. Now, field trainers are doing over 1,600 in team volume a month. Now, with the same exact work as an agent, you go out and help someone start their own franchise. They go get 2 clients. They get the $200. Now, instead of a $100 cab bonus, you get $160. That's something that's totally amazing. So the next level is a senior field trainer. Our senior field trainers are doing over $5,000 a month in team volume. Now, the exact same methods, nothing changes. But what's happening is you're growing your team. So now once you bring someone in and you help them start their franchise, that person brings someone and they go get 2 clients. What happens is now instead of $160, you get $240 in cap bonus plus residual. This is something that's amazing, and I never seen anything like this before, people. Now, sales director, right here, we call this the money spot. Our sales directors are able to quit their current 9 to 5 if they want, right? You're doing over $10,000 a month in team volume. Now, you go bring in someone, help them start their franchise. They go out, get 2 clients. Guess what? Now you make $380 plus residual on top of what you're doing for that week. This is something that's truly amazing, people. So with the customer acquisition bonuses, you pay to unlimited levels, and bonuses paid weekly, right? Now, we start that sales director get up to $380. Regional sales director, they get up to $430. Executive sales director, $475. Me, I'm a vice president. So whoever I bring in, I'm going to get $500 once they go get 2 clients, right? Regional VP up to $510. Executive VP, $520, and then we have our senior levels where you get up to $550 in cap bonuses. Now you see below where it says up to. So at vice president, I bring someone in, I help them start their own franchise. They go get 2 clients. I'm going to get $500. It's going to activate my cap bonus for $500. They go out and they help someone start their franchise, and they go get 2 sales. They're going to get $100, and then I'm going to get the remaining. That's going to be the $400, and that's paid down to unlimited levels, right? So this is something that's also amazing with the company, right? So the scenario of team earnings, everyone wants to hit the sales director spot. You can build your franchise and your organization all across the U.S., right? You're not just limited to your local area, right? So everyone wants to hit the sales director spot. So what happened is everyone starts to grow their organization. And what happens is the sales director make about $5,000 in total cap bonuses that week, right? That's not counting what he or she did on their own. Once again, not counting what he or she did on their own, right? J. Paul Getty, one of the first documented billionaires, said it's better to get 1% of 100 people's efforts rather than 100% of their own, right? Now that's something that's very amazing. All right. So using this scenario, if you did this once a month, that's about $5,000 per month. If you did this once a week, that's $20,000 a month. What if you did this twice a week? That's a lot of money, people. So with the residual income scenario, the power of the FES protection plan, with the people / the level overrides, once you obtain 5 agents or customers, your services are free. Everyone loves free, right? So you come in, you get 5 clients, right? We'll use it as a 6-year term, right? You get 25. right? Those 25 go out and get 5, it turns into 125. That 125 go out and get 125. Go get 5, it turns to 625. It turns to 3,125. They go out and get 5, it turns to 15,625. And over a course of 6 years, it's a total of 19,530 protection plan memberships, totaling out $75,000 a month. Now, to some, this is like unbelievable. We actually have people that are in this company that are actually doing this. But let's say, hey, for the sake of someone who's not working at a steady, fast pace, because this is a marathon. This is not a sprint, right? You can cut that down, $7,500 a month. That could pay a lot of bills and help a lot of families, right? Well, let's just say $750 a month. That's a car note, light bill, gas bill. It can help around the home. It's extra money, right? So we also have the R&R Club, right? The rest and relaxation and retirement. So with the accumulation of personal and team FES protection plan membership, a minimum of 500 is required, right? So once you hit 500 protection plan memberships, you're at level 1. The company is going to award you up to a $600 monthly auto payment for Mercedes, Cadillac, or Audi. We'll partner with them, right? So when I got an upgrade or did good at work in corporate America, they gave me a coffee mug or threw me a potluck. Lord knows I don't need to be eating anymore, right? So the company is going to award you a free vehicle, but they pay it for you up to $600 on an auto car payment. That's something amazing. The next level, you get a one-time $10K cash bonus. After that, you get a $1,500 auto allowance expense. It increases, right? After that, you get a one-time $25K cash bonus. And then for my realtors out there, you get a $5K monthly house and payment option to upgrade to a Bentley, right? So if you're in the real estate industry or you have a few properties, the company's going to pay you $5K monthly. So you can put that towards buildings. So now your buildings are working for you and you're working hand over fist. And it's just amazing. So after that level, you get a one-time $50K cash bonus. Then you get the monthly retirement bonus up to $25K. And then the total rest and relaxation, once you're at the top level, which is level 10, you good from 100K to 250K in monthly lifetime bonuses. So that's something that's very great. Right here, we have the R&R Club. We have to update the slide because there's Audis everywhere, right? So we also have the FES convention where we celebrate and we learn and we train and be around everyone that's in the business and successful in the business. You know, success leaves clues, right? So you have one person become successful, you're going to become successful by default. And this is something that we want everyone to be a part of, right? So to enroll and become an FES agent, it's $288. It's $199 enrollment plus the first month of the protection plan membership. So you're going to get a personalized sales website, 2 FES Connect mobile enhanced websites. You're also going to get an online training platform to understand the business, an online business office with reports and sales tracking system. You're going to get exceptional live agent and customer support and team at corporate office. You get conference call training and updates, access to compliant marketing materials, and you also get weekly pay. You get paid faithfully every Thursday, direct deposit people. You're also going to get the FES protection plan benefits. So you get to help others earn a significant amount of income, get your credit work on and help change lives, people. And you're eligible to get your membership for free once you strive for 5 and have 5 clients or agent, mix or match, I'm sorry. And additionally, active agents are eligible for up to $100,000 in term life insurance. That's something that's amazing. So with the FES online training platform, we get to plug you in and you get trained by successful people who are successful in this business. You get to learn the best from the best. So we have a system that's set up for you that's going to help you be successful in along with the blueprint, right? So what you want to do is you want to expose people to FES. You may want to ask a question like, who do you know to have less than perfect credit? Does not have a will, trust, power of attorney, who has debt and would benefit from a system that can help pay it off, works in a credit-related industry such as real estate, mortgage, auto, or banking, who is looking for a part-time or full-time income. You know, you may know someone who may be frustrated with their current career, needs a change, right? They want to become financially free. Everyone wants to become financially free, right? So what you do is you want to plug the people you know into the system, right? So what happens is you have you, then you have the FES experts, and what happens is you edify, promote, and then they ask for respect and credibility and the trust and rapport. and we help you become successful in business. So are you ready for success with FES? So you may want to ask yourself, what is your level of interest, right? You already have excellent credit, your financial affairs are in order, and you love your current job, but you can provide referrals. So what I like to do is to get back to the person who invited you to watch this video and get started with them immediately and become a referral partner, right? Or you may be interested in the FAS protection plan and you want to enroll now. Your credit score is low and you want to improve it, right? So get back to the person who invited you to watch this video. Let's get you started. Or you may be your interest level 3. You're interested in the FAS protection plan membership and a financial opportunity, and you're ready to become an agent and a customer. So you're ready to get your credit in order, earn a significant amount of income, and help others be successful and obtain the knowledge for financial literacy, right? So what I want to say is welcome to the FES family. My name is Latrell Goss, Vice President with the company. I want to tell you again, welcome to the team.